Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page on Canva. First, open Canva and search for landing page templates. You will find thousands of options, so pick one that aligns with your goal. Next, customize the template by changing colors, fonts, and images to reflect your brand identity. Remember to keep your design clean and focused for optimal user experience. This initial setup is crucial for a strong foundation. Now, let's focus on your landing page's content. Your headline should be impactful, communicating your main message in just a few words. Follow this with concise body copy that clearly outlines the benefits for your visitors. Remember, people scan, so use bullet points for readability. Most importantly, create a clear call to action button, perhaps in a contrasting color guiding users to take the next desired step, like sign up now or download free guide. Visuals are incredibly powerful for engaging your audience. Choose high-resolution images or short videos that directly relate to your product or service. Canva offers millions of stock photos and videos, or you can upload your own. Ensure your brand's colors, logos, and fonts are consistently applied throughout the page. This creates a professional and trustworthy appearance. A well-designed visual can convey your message much faster than text alone, capturing attention in the first 3 seconds. Finally, it's time to publish your landing page. Always preview your design on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything looks perfect. Canva allows you to publish your page directly, offering a free Canva domain or the option to connect your own custom domain. Once published, share your landing page across your social media channels, email campaigns, and other marketing efforts. Continuously monitor its performance and make small adjustments for ongoing optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.